Welcome back to Adventure Jeep. If you love your ride shining as bright as your next adventure, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best car waxes that'll protect your paint, boost your shine, and make your Jeep or car look brand new every single day. We've tested the leading waxes from Turtle Wax, Car Guys, Formula One, and more. So stick around till the end to find out which one gives the best results for your off-road beast. Number 5. Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. When it comes to luxury level shine and professional grade protection, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus stands as a benchmark. This premium liquid wax blends pure carnauba with advanced polymers, creating a rich, reflective glow while sealing the paint with long-lasting protection. The kit includes a foam applicator pad, ensuring smooth and even coverage without swirl marks. What sets Meguiar's apart is its ability to enhance color depth, dark paints look wetter, metallics pop, and every surface gains a silky feel that resists fingerprints and water spots. It's perfect for Jeep owners who want to look like they just rolled out of a showroom, even after dusty trails or rainy days. Durability is a highlight here. One coat can last up to 12 weeks with consistent shine and water-beating performance. Its easy-on, easy-off formula makes it suitable for both beginners and detailing pros. Number 4. Turtle Wax and Dry. For those who want speed, shine, and simplicity, the Turtle Wax One-Step Wax and Dry is a lifesaver. It's specifically designed for car owners who hate long detailing sessions but still crave that high-gloss finish. Simply spray it on after washing and wipe dry. No heavy buffing or curing time needed. This formula combines cleaning and waxing power to deliver a clean, streak-free shine in minutes. The package includes a premium microfiber towel, which helps evenly distribute the wax and prevent swirl marks. Despite being lightweight, it provides solid protection against UV rays, rain, and road grime, helping maintain your paint's clarity and color depth. Users love its versatility. It works just as well on trucks, motorcycles, and RVs as it does on cars. Ideal for regular maintenance, this is the go-to choice for quick weekend detailing. Number 3. Carnauba Car Wax Paste. If you're chasing that classic deep gloss finish, the Formula One Carnauba Car Wax Paste is a trusted choice for decades. Made with Grade 1 Brazilian carnauba, this paste wax provides an unmatched warm glow that makes your paint look rich and vibrant, perfect for black, red, or metallic vehicles. Unlike quick sprays, Formula One's paste formula bonds tightly to your paint for long-lasting protection against oxidation, UV rays, and road contaminants. Its micro-polishing agents remove fine swirls and haze, restoring older paint jobs and bringing dull surfaces back to life. Enthusiasts often report the shine lasting up to 3 months, even through heavy rain or car washes. Although it requires a bit more elbow grease than sprays, the payoff is well worth it. A smooth, glossy, and protected finish that screams professional detail. Number 2. Car Guys Hybrid Spray Wax. The Car Guys Hybrid Spray Wax is a next-generation detailing formula that blends synthetic polymers and carnauba for a deep, reflective finish that outshines traditional waxes. Designed for busy drivers who want fast yet professional results, this wax offers instant shine with minimal effort. Spray it on, wipe it off, that's it. It's safe on all surfaces including paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and even wheels, making it a versatile go-to product. Car enthusiasts praise its long-lasting hydrophobic layer, which keeps water, dust, and grime from sticking to your vehicle's surface. The included premium microfiber towel ensures even application and streak-free results. Ideal for both weekend warriors and professional detailers, Car Guys Hybrid Spray Wax delivers that wet-look gloss Jeep owners love while offering protection that lasts for weeks, even under harsh sunlight or muddy conditions. Number 1. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating is a fan favorite for car lovers who demand professional-level results without hours of buffing. Infused with SiO2 ceramic technology, this spray forms a slick, durable shield that repels water, dirt, and UV rays. It delivers a stunning mirror-like shine and impressive water beating, rivaling many premium paste waxes. Users love how it enhances depth on darker paint colors and resists contaminants even after weeks of driving through rain or dust. One light application can last up to 6 months, which is a huge plus for those who prefer low-maintenance detailing. It's also safe for all surfaces, including glass, plastic trim, and headlights. And that wraps up our list of the best car waxes for 2025. Whether you want the long-lasting shine of Meguiar's Gold Class or the quick and easy finish of Turtle Wax One Step, each of these products will keep your ride protected and looking pristine. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and tell us your favorite wax brand. And remember, at Adventure Jeep, we don't just drive, we shine through every adventure.